Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. In general, South African homes have three different types of window materials that we use. There's wooden window frames, there's aluminium, and steel windows. Out of the three of them, it is aluminium windows that require the least maintenance. They're hard-wearing, easy to clean, and last for many years, other than a bit of discoloring. Meanwhile, steel windows need maintenance in terms of rusting. If you live in a very wet area, it requires a sand down and a paint every now and again. Wooden window frames, on the other hand, require the most attention. Over time, sun and rain really damages your window frames, and therefore you'll need to maintain them. Inspect your wooden window frame, and if you need to do any maintenance, do so immediately, because leaving it for any longer could cost you a lot of money. Replace any beading or putty. Give it a good sanding down, apply a good undercoat, and then seal it with a varnish or enamel. Should you require any more maintenance tips, please click on our blog on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.